Welcome to this video tutorial for XML Viewer from CWS Solutions. In this video tutorial we're going to take a look at how easy it is to add, edit and delete data inside an XML file using XML Viewer. Let's say we want to add a new row to the categories table in the Northwind database. Simply select the last row or the row with this icon on, which is always the last row, and start typing in your data. Note that there are no foreign or primary key constraints being applied to editing of this data, so just be aware of that if you're going to be loading this XML into an application. And I'm going to create a category called pies, and I'm just going to type in pastry pies as a description. So that's it. I've added a row. And obviously to apply it to the XML, these changes, I need to save it. At the moment it's simply just existing in memory. So that's adding a row. Let's say I want to edit some data. All I need to do is select the cell that I want. Let's say I want to edit the pastry pies. And what I can do is add meat pies and fruit pies. There we go. I've just edited some data that was inside my XML file. Now just note that this is so easy and intuitive to use. If I was going to go and do this through the XML, first of all I would need to find the correct place to put the XML in, to inject it. To do that I would need to find categories, which I'm still looking at the schema. There we go, categories should start there. So I would have to select there, and then I would have to type in this code to put the data in. So there's my 9 for my ID, pies for the name, and this was just my original description of pastry pie. So I would have to find that if I was going to edit it, and then type in meat pies and fruit pies. So that is adding and editing the data and how easy it is. Deleting data is just as easy. Simply select the row that you want by clicking on this left column, and you can see that it's selected. Then on your keyboard press the delete button and that row has now been deleted. You could do that for any table. It's all the same, the way it deals with it. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for listening and have a good day from CWS Solutions.